How to add multiple characters in Character AI. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this you will have to create multiple characters first, and for that just simply click on this option of create, then click on this option of create character, and this way you would be able to see that you need to provide name, greetings and some other sort of details, and after that you will be able to create the characters. This way just create multiple characters, and after that open up home again and click on this option of create, and click on this option of create a room. And now we will add all these characters that we just created in this particular room. You can name it up anything. Then in the second step you can add all the characters that you created in this particular room, and you would be able to interact with each and every character in one particular room. Just simply click on this option of create and it would be created. Just type one message and every AI you just added in this particular group will be responding to you, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.